a man a fish, he eat today, teach him to fish, he fish to life.
I just want to, on behalf of the Christian and Morgan Primary from school, say thanks, big thanks to the Jaja Foundation for the donation of chairs to our computer lab. I want to thank every member of this foundation and all those who are associated. I am sure that these chairs will go a long way towards alleviating our sitting troubles in the lab. Thank you very much.